Assalamualaikum dear students of class 7. Today I have a new story from your novel The Adventure of Tom Sawyer. This story is hard work. Now first I am explaining the Urdu translation of difficult words. Appeared ज़ाहिर होना, बाहर आना. Bucket बाल्टी. पनिशमेंट सज़ा. सीम्ड बज़ाहिर नज़र आना. साइट गहरी सांस लेना. फेंस लकड़ी की बाड़. रिमेंबर्ड याद रखना. शोक हिज हेड सर हिलाना. ऑफुल नागवार. मार्बल कंचे. इंटरेस्टेड दिलचस्पी रखना. सीन मंजर. स्लीपर चप्पल. वंडरफुल हैरान कुन. केयरलेसली लापरवाही से. कंटिन्यूड जारी रखना. पाइल ऑफ गुड्स सामान का ढेर. सरप्राइज्ड हैरान कुन, हैरान होना. Okay students, I am describing the summary of both the stories, hard work and the helpers. This story about the punishment of Tom that was given by Aunt Polly. The fence was very big and it was Saturday morning when it was holiday and Tom did not like to do any work on holiday. He wanted to play outside the house. First Tom offered Jim to do the paint on the fence, but he refused it. Tom lured him with white marble. Jim took it but ran away. Tom was missing his playing. Meanwhile, other boys came and laughed at him that he was working instead of playing. Then Ben came with eating his apple. Tom pretended him that he was doing an interesting work that only an artist can do. At last Ben got an interest in painting and took brush from Tom. In against of his apple. Then a long list of boys came one by one and offered Tom their belongings in return of painting the fence, and so it continued till the mid-afternoon. All the while Tom had had a nice lazy time with a pile of good things, food, toys, etc., and a lot of people to talk to, and other were working hard in sun. The fence had 3 coats of paint on it. If there had been more paint, he would have taken things from every single boy in the village. Tom went to the Aunt Polly in the back room and asked, "May I go out and play now as it's all done?" She didn't believe him. She got surprised by seeing the whole painted fence and accepted his permission. Yes, student, this is the summary of both the stories. Till then, next lecture. Allah Hafiz.